Hello everyone, Grandma here.
And Grandpa.
It's a beautiful day, so we thought we would go strawberry picking.
The closest strawberry farm is about 45 minutes away from us.
It was a beautiful day to take a drive.
We went to the Lewin Farms in Calverton, New York on Long Island.
First we stopped at their farm stand to pick up some fresh produce.
We bought some fresh green beans, which were $1.29 a pound.
They also had large 2-pound bags of local spinach, which were only $4.29.
We also got some fresh corn on the cob, even though it's not local corn, since it's not corn season here yet.
And we picked up some local raw honey.
Then we headed over to the Pick Your Own fields, where they had pick your own strawberries and also pick your own sugar and snap peas.
It was very sunny, so we made sure to wear our hats.
It was a little windy, but it was a beautiful day, and there wasn't even a cloud in the sky.
We didn't remember the last time that we went strawberry picking.
It must have been more than 20 years ago.
I used to go strawberry picking all the time with my parents, and I also took my children strawberry picking when they were growing up. It was something that we did almost every year.
Strawberry picking is good exercise because it gets you outside. You have to walk to the fields, bend down to pick the strawberries, and then carry them all back to the car.
It's a fun family activity.
There were lots of people already picking strawberries when we got there in the early afternoon.
The strawberry plants were really big, and I don't remember them being that big when we used to go strawberry picking years ago.
Many of the plants were already picked over. We had to walk way down to the farther end to find the better berries.
I didn't want to hold my purse, so Grandpa put it in his backpack.
We also brought vinyl gloves with us so that our hands wouldn't get stained from picking the berries.
It was a very good idea because many of the berries were soft, squishy, overripe, and very messy. Look how far Grandpa and I had to walk to find the good strawberries.
We ended up picking about 4 quarts of strawberries before we decided to call it quits and head back to the car. They weighed the strawberries and we paid for them.
On the way home, we stopped at the St. James General Store to check out some of the 4th of July merchandise.
Now that we're back home, I thought I would show you how to make poor man's strawberry shortcake. This is something we ate when we were growing up. What I have here instead of shortcake is leftover bread. First we take some whipped cream. Now we spread the whipped cream on the bread. We add a good amount. We are using homemade whipped cream. Now I'm going to use some sugar. I have brown sugar here. You could use any kind. I'm sprinkling some of the brown sugar on the whipped cream. You could use white sugar, confectionery sugar, but I'm using brown sugar. Now we have some beautiful ripe strawberries that we picked today. We take a couple slices. We're going to put on as many as we can fit. This looks good, and if I want, I could put more whipped cream on top, which I'm going to do. I'm going to add a little bit more whipped cream. If the strawberries slide around, just push them back. Doesn't that look delicious? Now what we did was just pick them up and eat them. Tastes like strawberry shortcake. Very good. Nice and refreshing. This is really a quick, cheap, and easy way to make a strawberry shortcake. I'm using leftover Italian bread. You can use any type of bread you'd like. It also helps to have fresh strawberry like we have here. If you can grow them and pick them yourself, even better.